What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. The market was pretty awesome this week. We saw a lot of stocks move in some pretty big ways, both the upside and the downside. Friday was filled with a bunch of positive momentum all across the board. We saw a lot of great movement out of big market moving tech stocks like Amazon and Google especially, but a lot of other stocks moved up in a really awesome way too, which just led to a bunch of great opportunities in multiple different ways. So with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. So looking at some of the swing plays, we still have that recent HYFM play. It's been looking pretty good so far. It has been moving up a little bit, but nothing too crazy just to start out. There hasn't been too many new plays with the swings, but Tom and I are still looking for some grade A setups before we alert anything new. But when we do find those setups, we'll definitely alert them. But looking more at some of the day trade setups, which have been on fire lately, this week was also pretty awesome in that sense as well. So there was no trading on Monday because of MLK Day, but on Tuesday, SE popped in a pretty decent way. It popped for around 26% to the upside, so that was awesome to see. It ended up continuing higher throughout the week, which is always good to see anyways, but it was more of a day trade. On Wednesday, the Google play did pretty good too. That one popped for around 35%, so definitely no complaints there, but it was a little bit tough to trade as Wednesday was filled with a lot of like selling pressure as well. But then on Thursday, NVIDIA went absolutely crazy, and this worked to the downside in an awesome way. So that was great. And then on Friday, we had an amazing play with Amazon. It took a little bit of time for it to work out, but I'll tell you, like it was just trending really strong, basically all day long. Like I said, it took a little bit of time in the beginning, but once it got its momentum, it really started to fly. So overall, awesome week on the hybrid bot. It's been doing absolutely awesome so far this year. There have been 2 over 100% winners, so definitely no complaints there. And I love to see these types of results. Looking at the theta plays, they're always doing great. Selling put options or shorting put options or writing put options, they're all the same thing. They are the best strategy, or that is the best strategy in the market. You literally cannot beat getting paid to buy stocks at low prices. You can look at all these companies like Amazon, maybe Disney, maybe Palantir, maybe DraftKings, any stock you want to own for the long term, and you can literally get paid to buy them, right? It's the best strategy out there. It's called writing put options. If you need any help with it, feel free to ask Tom, Hunter, or me in the StockedUp Discord chat. Like I said, it is the best strategy out there. And if you look in the premium selling channel, you'll get access to these types of plays every single day. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. Of course, you're not going to see gigantic returns on a day-to-day basis, but it is the most consistent strategy out there, and it can definitely set you up in a really good position for the long term when that strategy is deployed correctly. So overall, the market's been moving pretty awesome so far to start the year. We saw a lot of good action to the upside and the downside, and I'm so excited to see what the rest of the year brings for multiple different reasons, not only with the market, but also for the new features that we continuously will release throughout this year. So I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. Besides that, have an amazing weekend.